Hello everyone, this time I would like to introduce you with a single user web application that I just built with React and Java Spring Boot. The name of the application is called the schedule management system, in which the authorized user is able to manage his or her own schedule on our application. And here shows the main page of the application, which is a login page, and we are required to input our username as a password to log in. So in this case, I'm using my customized name as a password. The customized name as a password are being specified in the backend server here. So the username is being just my own name. The password is also here. Right, and they are being specified by the Spring.Security library. So let's try to log in now. We input our correct username. So let's try to first implement, say like a wrong password. For instance, we just say 123. In this case, we are not able to log in. So if we only click on the login button, right, we are not able to log in. Only the correct password is able to get up into the application, right? So we say dummy, which is the correct password, and we can log in. Yeah. Okay, now after we log in, we have the welcome page, which is a very simple page, and we can redirect to our list of our schedule. So which is here, right? If we go here, and then that is a list of our application. So as you can see, there are several old applications that I just added yesterday. So and each task has a description here, has a target date, has is complete condition, and also we are able to update or remove any of the existing tasks. And also we are able to add the new task by clicking this button here. Now let's make a new task here. Yeah, so let's say, what do we want to ask? We just want to ask some, say like, practice a language. Yeah, anything like this, anything. The target date, say some later date, say for example, the January 10th, and it has not been completed, so let's know. If we go to save, okay, after we save, then we can see a new text being created in our application. If we check back to our database table, right, if we refresh, then we are able to see the new text that we just created here, right? And also we are able to change the information of an existing text. For instance, let's change which one? We can change the second one, right? Yeah, we can, it's called the eat donut, and we can see that eat pizza. Yeah, we change to a pizza. The target date, let's say, let's move it to an earlier date, for example, January 1st, and that has not been completed. We click on save. Yeah, then the second application has been changed to eat a pizza. Yeah, as we just changed. If we also check back to the table here, we refresh. Yeah, as you can see, we have eat a pizza that we just changed just now. And also, we are able to remove an application. For instance, let's just remove the newly added task. Here we go. If we remove that, we click on the delete button. After we click, then that task is being removed, right? So it's no longer here. And also, if we check back to our database table, we refresh. Okay, so that is gone, right? That is gone, being removed. So also, yeah, let's add a new application. So for example, just as an earlier date, that is yes, being completed. Okay, and also as you can see, for those two schedule or for those two tasks, the background, the target date background has been changed into red, right? That is a purely front-end trick in which I have tell the frontend to say if we have any target date that is before our current time, then I will highlight the background to be the red color, yeah, so that we can easily see if we have any past target date or any past due date, right? Okay, and also we can change it back to later day, right? Actually back to somehow like January 14th. Yeah, and the background color is no longer red. Yeah, and also after we have done our operations, we can log out here. Yeah, after logout, we are no longer able to access to our list. Yeah, the only way to turn back is to log in again. Yeah, that is the idea. And also, because everything has been stored in our backend database table, if you refresh, yeah, that is all our up to today schedule. So even if we turn off the backend server, yeah, we can turn it off, and we can also shut down our browser. We can turn it off. Yeah, and now if we able to restart the server, yeah, and we also can able to restart our browser. Yeah, and we can check back if everything is still working. And now the backend server is back to work. So let me log in again with our correct username and password. We log in and we redirect to our list of the schedule. Here, okay, yeah, as you can see, everything is still here. Yeah, even if we turn off the server and we can shut down our browser, the data will always be here as long as we don't lose our database, right? Because everything is stored into our SQL database, basically my local MySQL workbench. Yeah. Okay, that is basically all of the basic feature of the application. So you can find the source code in my GitHub page, which is here, and URL is here, right? In this page, in my GitHub page, you can find a more detailed description about the project. Yeah, and that's all. Thank you for watching.